Hey everyone, it's Click How. Today I'm going to show you how to save your Canva design to your computer in just a few clicks. First, open the design you want to save. Look at the top right corner of the editor and click the Share button, then select Download from the menu. Or you can click the Publish icon in the top menu. Both work the same way. Next, choose your file type from the drop-down menu. PNG is best for graphics with transparent backgrounds. JPG works well for photos and has smaller file sizes, and PDF is perfect for printing or sharing multi-page designs. For most designs, PNG gives you the best quality. If your design has multiple pages, select which pages you want to download from the drop-down below. By default, Canva will download all pages. Once you've made your selections, click the Download button. The file will automatically save to your computer's Downloads folder. One important thing to know, if you used any premium or pro elements in your design, Canva will ask you to pay for them before downloading. You can also download a watermark draft for free to preview your design first. A quick tip, if you have multiple designs you want to save, you can bulk download them. Go to your projects page, select all the designs you want, click Download Designs from the toolbar below, choose your file type, and done. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.